Hello student, today we do chapter 2nd fractions and decimals of class 7th. Introduction. Fraction that represent a part of a whole. For example, a birthday party is going on. A cake in the shape of round. Your friend eaten this part, this shaded part. This shaded part is smaller than the whole cake. Shaded part is smaller than the whole cake. Suppose let me divide it into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. This shaded part shows 1/3. 1/3 means to say what type of this fraction? This is proper fraction. This is a proper fraction. Numerator by denominator, in which numerator is less than denominator. Types of fraction. Types of fraction. Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Proper fraction, numerator by denominator, in which numerator is less than denominator. For example, this is rectangle. We divide it into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shade these 2 parts. Fraction of this shaded part. Fraction of shaded part equals to whole in denominator, means to say 4. Shaded part is 2. 2/4. That is a example of proper fraction. Improper fraction, numerator by denominator, in which numerator is greater than denominator. For example, 7/4. For example, 7/4. And this improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. This improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. How? 7/4 है आपके पास, डिवाइड करेंगे आप इसे. न्यूमरेटर एज डिविडेंड, डिनोमिनेटर एज अ डिवाइजर. 4 1 जा 4, रिमाइंडर इज 3. तो हम इसे QRD फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. Q मीन्स टू से क्वोशिएंट, दैट इज 1. R रिमाइंडर जो कि एज अ न्यूमरेटर आएगा, एंड डिवाइजर जो कि एज डिनोमिनेटर आएगा आपके पास. कौन सी फॉर्म है ये? QRD form. Which form? QRD form. Okay. Now solving of fractions under addition and subtraction are topic. Exercise 2.1. Sum number 1 is on your screen. First part, 2 minus 3 by 5. When you want to solve the fractional part, you have to take the LCM. LCM of 1 and 5 makes 5. Divide from denominator. Quotient comes, multiply it by numerator. डिवाइड करेंगे 5, 5 2 ज़ा 10. डिवाइड किया 1, 1 इंटू 3, 3. 10 minus 3 makes 7 by 5 is your answer. What type of fraction this is? This is improper fraction. That's why we will change it into mixed fraction. How? 5 1 ja 5, remainder is 2. In QRD form we will write Q quotient 1, remainder 2, divisor 5. Here you can also write the answer. Second part, 4 plus 7 by 8. Mark here 1. LCM of 1 and 8, 8. डिवाइड करेंगे 8, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 4 से, 8 4 जा 32. डिवाइड किया 1, 7 1 जा 7, प्लस 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 makes 39 by 8. Convert it into mixed fraction. 8 4 जा 32. 39 minus 32 makes 7 by 8. कौन सी फॉर्म है? QRD फॉर्म. मैंने इसको डायरेक्टली किया है, आप इसको इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं. QRD आंसर. Next is part third. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. LCM of 5 and 7 both are prime numbers. That's why LCM is 35. 5 7 ja 35. 7 3 ja 21. 7 5 ja 5, 2 ja 10. Makes 31 by 35 is your required answer. It's a proper fraction. Part 4. 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. LCM 160. 5 comes. डिवाइड करेंगे 15, 15 9 जा 135. डिवाइड किया 11, 11 4 जा 44 माइनस रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. फिफ्थ पार्ट, फ्रैक्शन प्लस करना है आपने. टेक एलसीएम. एलसीएम ऑफ 10 5 2. 2 5 जा 10, 2 1 जा 2, 5 1 जा 5 1 जा 1, 2 5 जा 10. दैट इज एलसीएम. डिवाइड किया 1, मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 7. 5 2 जा 2, 2 जा 4, 2 5 जा 5 3 जा 15. आंसर विल 26 by 10. इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. कौन सी फॉर्म में लिखते हैं हम? QRD फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. आप डिवाइड करेंगे, क्वोशिएंट आपके पास 2 आएगा, रिमाइंडर 6 आएगा और डिवाइजर आपके पास है ही, दैट इज 10 इज योर रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज पार्ट 6. 2 and 2 by 3 plus 3 and 1 by 2. Mixed fraction, convert it into fraction. 3 2 जा 6, मल्टीप्लाई प्लस करेंगे 2, कितना हो जाएगा 8, 8 by 3. 3 2 जा 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2. LCM 6, 3 2 जा 6, 8 2 जा 16, 2 3 जा 6, 3 7 3 जा 20, 1. Add it. 37 by 6. Convert it into mixed fraction. It comes 6 and 1 by 6. Convert it into mixed fraction self. Next one is part 7th. 8 and 1 by 2 minus 3 and 5 by 8. Convert it into improper fraction. 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 1, 17 by 2. 8 3 is 24, 24 plus 5, 29 by 8. LCM. LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. 2 4 ja, 17 4 ja, 68. 8 माइनस करेंगे 29. Convert it into mixed fraction. That is your required answer. Now next, sum number 2. Arrange the following in descending order. Order is descending. See how? LCM of 9, 3, 21. First part. 9, 3, 21. LCM आता है सभी को 63. 63. 9 7 जा, 7 2 जा 14. 21 2 जा 42. 21 3 जा 8 3 जा 24. Divide from denominator. Which quotient comes multiplied by numerator. डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर सबसे पहले क्या होता है? सबसे बड़ा दैट इज 42, देन उससे छोटा 24, फिर सबसे छोटा दैट इज 14. इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर 42 किसकी फ्रैक्शन है? आप इसको पहले ऐसे लिखें 42 by 63, then 24 by 63, 14 by 63. 42 by 63 इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन है किसका? 2 by 3 का. 24 by 63, 8 by 21, and 14 by 63 is of 2 by 9. That is in descending order. Second part, 1 by 5, 3 by 7, 7 by 10. LCM 5 7 10. LCM is 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, it becomes 70. Divide 14, 14 1 ja 14. Divide किया 10, 10 3 जा 30. Divide करेंगे 7, 7 7 जा 49. In descending order. In descending order, 49 by 70, 30 by 70, 14 by 70. आप बीच में से भी सिंबल लगा सकते हैं. 49 by 70 is greater than 30 by 70 is greater than 14 by 70. 49 by 70 is of 7 by 10. Then 7 by 10 is greater than 3 by 7 is greater than 1 by 5 is your required answer. Sum number 3 is an activity. You will try it yourself. After solving, give comments in box. Sum number 4 right now. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 and 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 and 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Solution. Sum number 4. Rectangular sheet like this. Length 12 and 1 by 2 centimeter. Width 2 and 10 and 2 by 3 centimeter. We have to find its perimeter. For it, write down length of a rectangular sheet. Twelve to the 24 plus 1, 25 by 2 centimeter. Breadth of rectangular sheet 10 and 2 by 3 centimeter makes 32 by 3 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangular sheet, that is 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter is sum of the boundary. Length is 25 by 2, breadth 32 by 3. Now solving. LCM in bracket 6, डिवाइड करेंगे 3, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 75, डिवाइड किया 2, 32 टू ज़ा 64, एड बाय 6 कैंसिल हो सकता है, 2 1 जा 2, 3 जा 139 by 3. Convert it into mixed fraction. See how? 3 4 ja 3 6 ja 18. Remainder is 1. It becomes 46 and 1 by 3 centimeter. That is the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. Now the next question, sum number 5. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE and the rectangle BCDE whose perimeter is greater. We also have to find. See figure of sum number 5. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE. Sides of triangle equals to 5 by 2 centimeter, 2 and 3 by 4 centimeter, 3 and 3 by 5 centimeter. Perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of the boundary. Perimeter is the sum of boundary. Perimeter of triangle. तीनों का सम 5 by 2 plus 4 2 जा 8, 8 plus 3 11 by 4, 5 3 जा 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 by 5, 18 by 5. LCM. LCM of 5 4 2 comes 20. LCM comes 20. डिवाइड करेंगे 10 10 5 जा 50, 4 5 जा 11 5 जा 55, 4 जा solving. After solving it comes 72. Now adding. Convert it into mixed fraction. It comes 8 and 17 by 20 centimeter. That is the perimeter of a triangle. It's the second part right now. Perimeter of a rectangle. Length of rectangle. Length 2 and 3 by 4 centimeter makes 11 by 4 centimeter. Breadth of rectangle, that is 7 by 6 centimeter. Perimeter 2 into length plus breadth. LCM 12, adding 2 1 ja 2 6 ja 47 by 6 makes 7 and 5 by 6 centimeter. Now compare these two. Now compare these two because we have to find whose perimeter is greater. When you compare it on comparing take LCM comes 60. Here 531 is greater than 470. That's why perimeter of triangle is greater. Write down perimeter of triangle is greater.